Hey there, it's me, Leri. I just want to thank you all for sticking with me because I have good news. Our Learn with Leri family has surpassed 5,000 subscribers. So big thanks to you all. If you haven't already, please subscribe and be part of this amazing learning community. Moving forward, I promise to continue posting videos that will help you on your ESL journey. Now, I'd like to address a video that many of you enjoyed. I'm thrilled that you found it helpful. And today, I want to share some tips on how you can create your own unique video. Stick to the end because I'll tell you how to get a self-intro script template that I'll give away for free for my subscribers. Let's jump right in. Before recording a video, make sure you have your technical setup ready. Number 1. Use a good quality camera that can record in at least 1080 pixels resolution for clear video quality. In my intro video, I used Sony a5100, but if you're using a smartphone, then you can opt for the cinematic feature. Number 2, make sure you have good lighting to avoid or minimize shadows and ensure that your face is well lit. Friendly tip, natural light is best, but if that's not possible, consider using soft diffused artificial lighting. Try ring lights or light boxes. Number 3, use an external microphone if possible to improve the audio quality of your recording. It's a no-brainer to avoid recording in noisy environments. As for me, I used Razer Kitty Kraken headset as what I'm using now. It's quite pricey, so I would recommend other suggestions by fellow ESL teachers like Jabra Evolve 20 or Plantronics 628. Number 4. Use a tripod or a stable surface to keep your camera steady and avoid shaky footage. Number 5. Frame yourself properly in the shot, keeping your face and upper body in the frame. Use the rule of thirds to create a balanced composition. Basically, you can do this, isang dangkal sa taas, and make sure you have this amount of space for the sides and to ensure that your hand gestures can be seen like this. Number 6. Choose a clean and uncluttered background that is relevant to your video content. If you plan to change your background in a video editing platform, you may use a green screen background in the actual recording. Number 7. Plan out what you want to say before recording to avoid unnecessary pauses or rambling. You don't need to memorize your script, but having an outline can help you stay on track. Another technique, you can seek help from an online teleprompter. Let me show you how to do it. Let's go to cubeprompter.com. Then you'll see this black box in here where you can type your script. Let's just make use of this sentence. Scroll down and you can click Start New Prompter. Then another tab will open. Then you can see here the script that you just pasted or typed. Then you can actually adjust the speed, adjust the text or the background color in here. So for me, I will just stick to 10 speed. And there you go. You have your script. Number 8. Speak clearly and enthusiastically to keep your audience engaged. Maintain eye contact with the camera to create a connection with your viewers. Number 9. After recording, edit your videos to remove any mistakes or unnecessary parts because you don't want to start over again. Add relevant visuals, graphics, or text to enhance your content. I used Wondershare Filmora to edit this ESL video. Number 10. Before recording, practice speaking naturally and comfortably. This will help you come across as more confident and professional in your video. Moving on to the parts of your script, first is the introduction. You can start by greeting the viewers and introduce yourself by mentioning your name, where you're from, and your experience or qualifications in teaching ESL. You can also share a brief overview of what viewers can expect from your videos, such as your teaching approach or the topics you'll cover. Next is you can highlight your personality and teaching style. right off the bat, show your enthusiasm for teaching and interacting with students. Make sure you project a genuine smile and maintain a friendly tone throughout the whole video. You can also briefly discuss your teaching style, whether you focus on conversation practice, grammar instructions, or other aspects of language learning. Share any unique teaching method or activities you use to make learning fun and engaging. If you've noticed in my self-intro video, I make it a point to include several hand gestures while speaking, because this shows that when I teach, I maximize my TPR or total physical response. This should be evident in your video. Remember that. And number 3, demonstrate your language skills. Speak clearly and slowly to demonstrate your pronunciation and fluency in English. Use simple language and avoid complex grammar structures to make it easy for your viewers to understand. Bonus, if you want to create an intro video longer than a minute, you can include a brief example of how you would explain a basic concept in English, such as asking "How are you?" and how to answer it. I have a video about this. I will link it in the description box or somewhere here, so you can get an idea of what to teach. Showcase your teaching materials and resources. It just gets interesting when you do this because you give the student a sneak peek of what he or she can expect to see in your class. For longer videos, another bonus tip is you can display any teaching materials or resources you can use, such as textbooks, worksheets, or online tools. You can either show it with your hands or flash a screenshot on your video, just like this. Explain how you can incorporate these materials into your lessons to enhance the learning experience for your student. Number 4, share student testimonials. This is similar when you buy products online. You check the reviews before purchasing, right? So if you have some positive feedback from previous students, share them in the video. This can help build credibility and show your effectiveness as a teacher. And number 5, closing and call to action. Express your excitement about the possibility of teaching them. Examples are, I'm excited to teach you and help you achieve your English language goals. See you in my class. Or, if you're ready to start your ESL journey with me, don't hesitate to reach out. See you in my classroom. Another one is, let's make your language learning experience amazing together. And then you end with that. Once you're done with recording, editing, and final touches come next. You have to edit your video to ensure a professional and polished look. Add captions, background music, and transitions to enhance the visual appeal. Make sure your music sounds enticing but not dominating your voice. Keep the video concise and to the point. As for me, you can do 1 minute or aim for a total duration of 3 minutes max, depending on the company's requirement. Okay, if you've reached this part of the video, I'm glad you did, and let me know by your comments. Now, here's something special I have for you. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel, Learn with Leri. Follow my Instagram account at Learn with Leri and comment "Welcome back" to this video. After that, I'll message you to send a self-introduction script template for free. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and help this channel grow. Don't forget to like and share this video to your friends or aspiring teachers so we can all learn and grow together. Let's build each other up and learn together every day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!